One amazing aspect of the park's Elvis Festival is the way that the locals really get behind it and get into character. One such local who really throws himself into it and gets into character and lets his hair down is local physiotherapist Jeff McClurg. G'day, Jeff.
How are you, Greg?
Very well, thanks, mate.
That's good.
Very well. Now, as a physiotherapist, I know that your life might be a little bit different than it is at Park's Elvis Festival time. Many Elvis fans love the rock and roll dancing, and I believe you're a bit of an enthusiast yourself.
Yep. My partner Joe and I, we've been trying to learn a bit of rock and roll dancing the last few years, and certainly, the Elvis Festival's it's an inspiration for it, but it's the perfect opportunity to use it. You learn these dancing through the year, and then you just want to use it. So the Elvis Festival is perfect for that.
You let loose, right?
Yeah, you let loose. And the beauty of it is that you don't have to be anything special. As long as you can do some sort of rock and roll move, it's good. You don't have to be serious with it.
Yeah.
We do take it seriously if we can. We had our first crack at a competition.
How'd you go?
We came second.
Hey.
Yeah.
That's pretty serious.
That is, out of the two couples in there, for us to come second, that's pretty good.
You did very well then. I love it. One question though. With rock and roll dancing, there's so many of those moves and man, it looks like it would take its toll on your body. So as a physio, do you ever have to work on yourself after doing it?
No, not me. No.
Your partner, right?
Yeah. Jo has suffered a few times.
Oh my gosh.
And she will admit to that. But no, touch wood, I'm going okay.
Okay, so you reckon, from what I'm saying, it sounds like you feel you probably rank yourself as a bit of an amateur, right?
Oh, definitely.
I would probably beg to differ because I've seen some pretty good footage of you. But anyway, aside from that, did you happen to see the Sydney Swing Cats last year?
Yes, definitely. The Swing Cats are a big hit.
Yeah.
I'd seen them. I'd seen them once before, and I'd seen clips of them. To see them in the flesh at the Elvis Festival was amazing. They're just, they're young, they're fit. They just throw another element.
Next level?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Rock and roll and swing dancing,
Okay,
yeah,
well look,
very
I'm
good.
no aficionado, but I reckon anybody who has a go at that stuff is incredible because the flexibility, the speed, the knowledge of the moves, I just find it's beautiful to watch.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And they would be a good enough reason to come to the Elvis Festival themselves. Yeah.
Well, I reckon you're a good enough reason to come to the Elvis Festival too, because there's numerous reasons I want to talk to you, Jeff. One reason I want to talk to you is this beautiful car that we're standing in front of.
Thanks for that. So this is my 1970 VG Valiant coupe.
Wow.
A friend helped me do it up and I decided on the colour scheme.
Yep.
Lots of people didn't like it.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm a fan. I'm a fan.
Yeah, I'm quite proud of it.
And how long have you owned this one?
It would be, just over 10 years, might be 13 years, something like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
And has it been a part of the festival?
Yes, I get it out just about every Elvis Festival. It's a bit tricky because in the parade, I'm usually riding my other set of wheels, so I get someone else to drive this. But I get it out for the parade, and then when we get the chance to do a bit of cruising over Elvis is good fun, even if it's just of an evening and we pile some people in the car and drive around and play some Elvis songs and drive up and down the street.
Oh, what a great vibe.
Yeah.
You mentioned your other set of wheels. That's something I'm really curious about because that is a sight to behold. Tell us about your other set of wheels.
All right, so my other set of wheels is a penny farthing or a high wheeler. So a penny farthing, it's the old style bike with the big wheel at the front and the little one at the back. I'm still trying to work out whether there's an Elvis movie that there's got to be some back footage of him on a penny farthing, certainly.
I reckon there should be. If there's not, there should have been because it's an amazing contraption. Now, riding a penny farthing in a jumpsuit, is that easy or hard?
Actually, it's reasonably easy. Probably the worst thing is the flares. They like to get a hold of the pedals and the spokes, the flares. So
can you tuck them into your socks like bike riders do?
Yeah, you can. But again, I don't look a real lot like Elvis as it is, but it's not the Elvis look when you've got a rubber band tying your flares in.
No.
But that's probably the hardest part. The other thing actually is in parades and things, it's actually quite hard to ride it slow because it's all about balance.
The balance,
yeah. But I like to get, I get plenty of looks on it over Elvis and get lots of smiles. It's really good.
But as a physio, I'm sure balance is pretty much up your alley, isn't it? Making sure you're centred and got good control over your muscles.
Yeah? I try to, but I have fallen a couple of times.
Oh no.
Not at Elvis.
Well, that's not a good sight to see. So hopefully you don't do that in the parade.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for your time, Jeff. Now, as I said, I am a big fan of your moves, and we are going to share with everybody else some of your footage as we let you get back to your day job of being a physiotherapist. We're going to showcase to the world some of Jeff's moves at the Dean Z concert last year. And for all you rock and roll dancers out there, get practicing for 2022. Or if you want to, sign up for some lessons at the festival. We'll see you there.
Here we go!